Hello again, YouTube. I'm here with another vapor review. I just got my package from Virgin Vapors, and I'm going to show you off the packaging that it came in. So I got a pretty small order. It just came in a little manila envelope like this, and it's bubble wrapped. And then I cut that open with the scissors, so don't mind the little slicer right here. But each bottle comes bubble wrapped like this. And this one came in its own wrapper, and then these two came in one wrapper, or Ziploc bag. It was a Ziploc bag. So I guess these two are bubble wrapped together, and I'm going to show you the flavors that I got here after I tear through the bubble wrap. And I'm going to do a review on one of these as soon as they warm up a little bit. So let's get this third one open. And okay, so first of all, I got organic winter green. Probably can't see that as well as I wanted you to. Kind of. Okay, so these come in a nice dark glass bottle. I really like that. Halo also has the glass bottle. Like I said, I'm a big fan of Halo. These came from California, and they took forever to get here. I was watching the tracking, and it took days to get here. Man, it took about a week after just watching the tracking. Like it was, they came via snail. They came really, really slow, and I don't really like that. I like the 3 to 5 day shipping, and I like the fast shipping. So organic winter green. They all come in a nice brown bottle. They'll have a nice glass stopper. And this is organic maple French toast, and I'm going to do a little vape on this later, and I will see how that tastes. I heard it tastes really good. And then I got a bigger bottle of organic Kona velvet milkshake, and this is supposed to taste really good too, and I'll probably do a review on this later on. So these are all 100% vegetable glycerin. They're all strength medium. I don't really like a lot of nicotine. I like to vape more than I like the nicotine, so I don't get the really strong. That's about 12 milligrams of nicotine per milliliter. And they got a batch date on them, which is nice. So I know when this came out. Looks like it was February 25th of 2013. This one looks pretty old. Or maybe it's not an actual date. It looks like it is. It's got 12, 10, 12. So I'm thinking December 10th of 12. But I don't know. I honestly don't know. That's just a batch number. I guess they got a batch number. And that's about it. Just a small warning and their website and logo. So I'll let these warm up, and I'll do a vape of some organic maple French toast. So I've given this a little bit of time to warm up. I helped it a little bit by rolling it in my hands because I'm pretty anxious to taste this. And got a mostly clean tank here, and let's go ahead and vape this. So I got this tank mostly clean. Like the wick was kind of clean, but it could have been cleaner. Let's take a look at the coloration of this real quick. It's got a dark amber coloration to it. Oh, that smells like maple syrup. That smells exactly like maple syrup. I am serious. So here's the pull on this, and it's not exactly thick. It's going right up with the plunger, and boy, that looks really good. I guess I'm a little nervous right now that I might actually like this a lot more than I thought I would. This actually smells delicious. Right out. Oh, I'm telling you, that smells just like maple syrup right now. That is spot on for maple syrup. So I'm going to prime this wick a little bit because, like I said, it's going to have a little bit of residue from the last fluid I was smoking, which wasn't my favorite. In fact, I was just smoking it while I waited for more better fluid to get in here. So let's make sure this wick is gonna have some of that good flavor. It smells mouth-watering. It really smells really good right now. The first couple of vapes, I'm just gonna taste it, try and draw what's left of the old fluid out of the wick, and we'll see how that goes. So I've been playing around with my eVic a little bit too. I switched it to variable wattage, which is a nice feature that I like. When you start it up, the eVic recommends like 5.2 watts. And if you change it to variable wattage, you might not be able to see it, but up in the corner there's the variable voltage, which right now is at 3.53, which I think is pretty cool. So I'm not using like a full 3.6 volts if I go ahead and vape like this. It's at 2.4 ohms. Probably not the best, but I've had worse. Let's turn that up a little bit. Make sure she's vaping good. You would not believe the flavor I'm getting right now. I want to get a little bit more a vapor though. There, oh. That is unreal. I really do not know how they bottled that. I'm not getting the vapor I want off of this though. Let's switch to variable voltage and put up to like 4.5. Much better vapor. That is amazing. The taste is fantastic. It's really, really, really sweet. Still, it tastes just like eating a whole bunch of maple syrup covered French toast. It really tastes just like French toast. I did not expect it to taste so much like French toast. I read in the reviews you could actually taste the butter on the French toast, and I swear you can taste like hints of butter on this. I'm gonna get one more vape. Much better vapor on there. Oh, it's delicious. Oh boy, that is tasty, tasty. Oh, it's outstanding. Oh boy, that is a really, really good flavor. Oh boy, it is organic maple French toast from Virgin Vapors, and really good flavor. Really good flavor. It is extremely sweet. If you're into sweet flavors, you know, this might be a good thing. I'm more into fruity flavors, and I really like the menthol flavors, and I like some of the more gourmet tobacco flavors. But this, it's like I have a plate of maple syrup covered French toast in my mouth right now. That's how good this tastes. I do not know how they did that. This is a good tasting flavor right here. This really is good. I am absolutely surprised at how delicious this actually is. Yeah, and now I'm getting the vapor that I wanted. Yeah. So, if I were to rate this out of 10, I'd probably have to give it a 9.5. Mainly just knocking half a point off here because I'm not really into the sweet flavors, and I don't think this is going to be one of my vapor fluids that I'm going to go to all the time. But if I ever want that super sweet flavor of French toast, I know exactly where to get it, and it's this e-liquid right here from Virgin Vapors. Again, I gotta say, man, this is organic French toast from virginvapor.com, and it's immaculate. It's delicious. Love it. So I'm gonna do another review later on this week of organic Kona Velvet Milkshake. Until then, I'm gonna be vaping on the sweet French toast flavor. If you want to try it, I got a really small bottle. I think it was $6.99. I got the sheet right here. Doesn't tell me how much I paid for it. How about that? I don't remember the price. I don't. But I would say if you really want, if you're into sweet flavors, if you want French toast, if you want to have French toast every day, and this is it, man. I gotta say it. This is a really good French toast flavor. One more hit before I go. Unreal. It's unreal. I can't be real, but it is. I'm vaping it. I'm exhaling it. Alright. I'll see you guys later.